everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I am introing today a time lapse that I've created, my first one, of myself working on the Legit Kit Sail Away Block E3, I'm pretty sure. We'll get into that right after this. I just wanted to give you guys some updates. If you have been following for a little bit, you'll know that I've been waiting patiently for Legit Kits to come out with their block of the month, and that went live today. You can sign up between now and May 21st, and it is exclusive. So the pattern that they're doing for their block of the month will never be released as like a pattern on their website or anything. It is strictly for the block of the month, and it runs a full year. So you'll get blocks, and it's not just one block. Actually, you actually get like 4 blocks each month. It is their easiest pattern, so it is a fantastic starter pattern. You get them each month, and I will be sewing live each month starting in June, sewing together the blocks that we get, and I would love to have you join me. Also, if you were interested in picking up the block of the month for Legit Kits, I will have the link below. It is an affiliate link, so it doesn't cost you any money. Like, they don't add money to the cost of anything because it's an affiliate link. It lets them know that you heard about it through me, and because I'm trying to become a certified Legit Kits instructor, the more folks that I send over that way, the better for me. So I really appreciate it if you guys do that, because it lets them know, hey, people actually know who Shannon is and they watch Slay Arts, and so it really helps me out a lot. I do get like money from it, but it's like not a lot of money. It's definitely not letting me quit my day job, but there is money involved, so I want to be very upfront and open with you. But for the most part, what it really does is let them know that, hey, Shannon's talking about us, and people are excited about us because they heard about us from Shannon. So I will put that link there if you are interested in the block of the month, or if you're just interested in Legit Kits all around, I'll have that link up there too. What else do we have going on? I owe you how I organize my Legit Kits. So this week has wrapped up some things for me. I was working on costumes for a middle school play, which was really exciting. It's the Macbeth, play was Macbeth, and I was working on kilts for the kiddos, and so that I finished those this week, and I wrapped up a couple classes that I was taking on Monday and Tuesday nights. So I will be able to be focused on doing videos and hanging out with you guys. I'm going to do my first live coming up soon because I got to get ready, test out, get all the kinks out before I do lives starting in June again for that block of the month. So I want to get a couple under my belt for that. Now I'll have the time to do that. So I'm excited about that. I will have my cotton cuts video up. Also going to probably videotape me doing some of the Allison Glass trinkets sew along that's going on, which is super cool. My friend Yvette of the Yvette Renee and Piecing It Real, FPP fame, she's doing videos on like as a like sew along thing. If you wanted to follow that, that's really cool. I'm not doing like a live sew along or sew along for it, but just videotaping my progress on that, in addition to the Legit Kit stuff that I'm doing. Yeah, so those are upcoming videos that I now have some time to do, which is exciting. All right, well, up next is that time lapse that I was talking about, so enjoy that, and I will see you at the end of it. All right, thanks guys. is the super fast 2.5-minute version of what actually it took me 45 minutes to do for E3. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed videotaping it, and I enjoyed the process of learning how to do time lapse. It was very cool. So thank you guys for watching. Be on the lookout again for the organization video that I owe you, our cotton cuts, where I'm doing the Tula Pink version, and any other fun stuff that I'll be doing, and a live that I will schedule and I'll put out there so you guys know when that's going to be. But I'll have that all up soon. Again, if you're interested in the Legit Kits block of the month, that link will be in the bottom. That's going to be super exciting. 12 months of fun. Again, their easiest pattern. Lots of color though. It's called Vortex. Gorgeous rainbow of color. A lot of fun. So, all right. Thanks everybody. Talk to you soon.